Welcome to Tesseract's digital signing module. In this video, I'll show you how you can track a document, as well as look at the status of a document and understand how you could be downloading and accessing this document. In the document tab, you will actually be able to identify and notice the different statuses for documents that's been sent out for signing. Draft, awaiting signature, signature completed, and void. In the previous example, we've signed a document called random sample document. And when you go into signature completed, the first one here appears. Clicking on this will bring me to the tab which shows me that the document has already been completed. By selecting the signing module or tab here, you would see that the signing status has been changed to signature completed. The sign file link is also here, so all you have to do is click on this and you will download the document. When you click on this, you would realize the signature being signed, and you can scroll down to identify the document log as well as the emails. You will now realize the second email shown is that the document has been signed by all parties and that the individual can be downloading the document here. If you'd like to view the document, you could also click on the signing type, sign document to view the document, or you could also just be downloading document by clicking on signing tab and download signed document. That's it. Thank you.